When I first saw this whiteboard animation, I thought it was made by a professional studio. It turns out that it was actually made with just a simple app known as Bemini. Stay with me. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own whiteboard animation from scratch. If you stay with me, by the end of this video, you'd be able to know how to create your own whiteboard animation that looks professionally and ready for YouTube videos. So guys, let's dive right into the video. So on your device like this, the first step you need to take is to go to your Play Store or App Store like this. Click on the search button and search for Bemini. So when you search for Bemini app like this, you're going to see the app right here. I already have it installed on my device, so you can go ahead and click on install on yours and install it on your device. Then come right here and click on open. So as you can see right here, looking here, you can see that I already have some projects I've been working on. So at the bottom of your screen here, this is what you need to do on yours. Click on the plus button at the bottom of your screen. So when you click on the plus button like this, you need to add a name. You need to name the animation you want to actually create. So let's say the animation we want to create is, so our channel's name is AppFix. So let's say AppFix. So let's just say AppFix. So right here you have two options to either create your project or to create it with AI. So right here I'm going to click on create project. So when you do that, right here you can see the whiteboard. So right here as well you can see the app logo. I'm going to show you how to remove that later. So in order for you to actually add an animation to the whiteboard, this is what you need to do. At the bottom here you can see the elements icon. So you can go ahead and click on the element icon like this. So here you can see add image or FGI. If you click on that, it's going to direct you to your gallery section where you are going to be allowed to add an image from your gallery. Or you can click on add SVG. If you have any SVG, it's going to direct you to your gallery as well, where you'll be able to select it. And if you have an animation already, you can go ahead and click on that add animation, and you'd be able to add the animation. So let's say you don't have any of this. If you click on casual mail, you're going to see a lot of animations. You don't even need to go ahead and seek for animation from other source or any other place. Right here you can see casual mail. This, you can see that there's a lot of animations here. If you click on corporate mail, you are going to see a lot of animations as well. If you click on corporate female and the rest of them, business, education, you're going to see a lot of things. I don't think you are going to even need any image. All you need is actually here, the flag, anything you need. Just keep scrolling at the top and you're going to see many things you can actually add as your animation. So let's say you select any of them like this. You just need to drag it on the board and place it where you want it to be. You can expand it with your finger. You can click on the element once more, select any one you want and drag it to the position where you want it to be. So you must have been seeing those animation video where a hand is going to be writing or drawing them. In order for you to actually do that as well, at the bottom of the screen you can see where it says hand. So you can go ahead and click on that and you're going to see where it says select an hand. That should be select a hand. So yeah, you're going to see all this. So you just need to go ahead and select the hand you like. So at the top you can see the play button. If you click on that, you'd be able to play and see what the video is going to appear like. So this is how it's going to appear like. The hand is going to draw the animation. You can add more animation, and if you want to add another animation, you don't want it to be added on this page, you want it to be added on another page, you can click on the plus button at the bottom here. If you click on that, you're going to be able to add more animation to this second board. So let's go to the first one right here. So let's say you are done adding the animation, you are good with it like this. So here where you can see the app logo, in order for you to remove that, you just need to click on the app logo like this. You can either remove it by watching ads, or you can permanently remove it by subscribing to their premium. So here I'm going to click on watch ad like this. So after watching the app, app, the logo is automatically going to be removed from the whiteboard. So in order for you to actually add a sound to your whiteboard, let's say you want to add the music or you want to add a voice that you've actually recorded, you need to click on the music icon at the bottom of the screen like this. So when you click on that, click on allow while using this app. So right here you can see the play button. You can click on that and you'll be able to record your own voice, or you can go ahead and click on music like this and it's going to direct you to your phone where you can actually select the sound that you want to use, or you can use on TTS and you'll be able to use TTS as your sound as well on the video. So let's say you don't want to add the music, or you want to actually add the music, you can actually follow that way and you'll be able to add the music. So in order for you to actually save the video after doing all this, you need to click on the share button at the top right corner. You can see the share button right there, and go ahead and name this movie a name. So you can go ahead and name it anything. So let's say Appfix and then go ahead and click on make movie. It says here movie name should not contain space, so your movie name should not contain space. So let's just leave it as Appfix. Then go ahead and click on make movie. So right here you can see that it is rendering the movie in progress. It says here please do not close application, so you just need to wait for it to be done like this. So you can go ahead and click on play movie and you can now play the movie on your gallery. It is now saved on your device. So this is how simple it is to create whiteboard animation professionally. Hope you found this video helpful. Now like this video, subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell, share this video to your friends that are going to actually need this. See you in the next one.